Good morning. Now we are going to start with chapter 1, rational numbers. In this chapter we will be seeing what are rational numbers and what are the use of rational numbers and what are its properties. Before proceeding with that, we start with classification of numbers. Classification of numbers. The first classification is natural number. Natural numbers. Natural numbers, another name of natural number is counting numbers. Why it is called counting numbers means when you start counting anything, you will start with 1 and not with 0. So this natural numbers start with 1, 2, 3 and proceed like up to extend up to infinity. So the first classification of number is natural number. It is also called as counting number and it starts with 1 and it goes on 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to infinity. If you want to draw a number line for natural numbers, it should start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it extend up to infinity. So the second classification of number is called whole numbers. So what are the whole numbers? To the natural numbers, if you add a 0, you will get whole numbers. The second classification of numbers are called whole numbers. To the natural numbers, if you add a 0, then it is called as whole numbers. If you want to draw a number line for that, it should start with 0 and it 1, 2, 3, 4 and will extend up to infinity. So now the question is, 0 is a natural number or whole number? So answer to this is 0 is a whole number. So all natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers, because 0 is not a natural number. The third classification is integers. To the whole numbers, if you add negative numbers, then we can say it as integers. So integers is having positive integer, negative integer and 0. If you want to draw a number line for that, it should include 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and this side it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So you should be very careful here. Its center point is 0. To the right of that is a positive integer, to the left of it is a negative integer. If you start from 1, it is called as, if you start from this point, it is called as natural number. If you start from 0, it is called as whole number. If we include all the way from 0, positive and negative, then it is called as integers. In the fourth classification is rational numbers. Rational numbers is of the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers. One important thing here is Q should not be equal to 0. Q should not be equal to 0, then it goes to infinity. So P and Q are integers. Here are some examples. If you see 1 by 2 is an integer, so P, this whichever in here is called numerator and whichever in the bottom is called denominator. Main thing is denominator should not be equal to 0. Any numbers like 3 by 4, 4 by 3, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 4, minus 7 by 5, these are the examples of rational numbers. any integers in the form of p by q can be called as rational numbers. The denominator should not be equal to 0. Now the question is whether 2 is a rational number or not. It is not in the form of p by q, but still the 2 can be 2 is equivalent to 2 by 1, or it can be represented by 4 by 2, or we can go on writing like this. So 2 is also a rational number. On similar lines, we can also say whether minus 2 is rational number or not. Minus 2 is also a rational number. Any number which can be represented in the form of p by q can be called as rational numbers. So minus 2 can be represented as minus 2 by 1 or minus 4 by 2. So minus 2 is also a rational number. The fourth classification is rational number. If you want to draw rational numbers on a number line, it will start with 0 and we can go as 1 by 2. In this point it is minus 1 by 2 and it is 1, and here it is minus 1. So 0, this is half and this is 1, this is minus half and this is minus 1. Similarly we can go for anything: 0, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, and go on. And here it is minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3, minus 4 by 3. Please note here, while drawing a number line for rational numbers, the denominator should be the same and should be equal space between the numbers you are representing. If you see here, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3 and 5 by 3. Denominators are same. Here is also it is minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3. You can't give minus 1 by 3 and some other number in the denominator with equal spacing. Okay, so here we can see this 3 by 3 is 1 here, and this minus 3 by 3 is minus 1 here. So this is 0 and this is 1 and this is minus 1. So there are between 0 and 1 can be represented as 3 equal parts, such as 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 3 by 3. And this side it is minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3 and 3 by 3. So the same line we can say here, this is 1 by 0 and this is 1 by 2. This is 2 by 2, which is equivalent to 1. And this side this is minus 1 by 2 and this is minus 2 by 2. So by this we are ending the classification of numbers. So I want to just revise once. The numbers are classified as natural numbers, which starts counting from 1, 2, 3 and extends up to infinity. If you add 0 to the natural numbers, you will get a whole numbers. And if you add a negative integers to the whole numbers, you will get integers. So integers has positive integers, 0 and negative integers. And the next is rational numbers. Any integers, if it is represented in the form of p by q and they are called as rational numbers, the denominator should not be equal to 0. So by this we are ending the classification of numbers. In the next class we will see the properties of rational numbers. Thank you.